Inside every plant, animal, and human cell are billions of molecular machines working tirelessly. These machines are composed of proteins, DNA, and other molecules, but no single piece function alone. It's only when we see how they interact and combine in millions of ways that we can truly begin to understand the intricate processes that sustain life. In a groundbreaking paper published in the prestigious journal Nature, Google and DeepMind researchers introduced AlphaFold 3, a revolutionary AI model that can predict the structure and interactions of all life's molecules with unprecedented accuracy. For the interactions between proteins and other types of molecules, AlphaFold 3 demonstrates at least a 50% improvement compared to existing prediction methods. For some critical categories of interaction, it has even doubled prediction accuracy. The researchers hope AlphaFold 3 will transform our understanding of the biological world and accelerate drug discovery. Scientists can now freely access the majority of its capabilities through the newly launched AlphaFold server, an easy-to-use research tool. To unlock AlphaFold 3's potential for drug design, the biotech company Isomorphic Labs is already collaborating with pharmaceutical firms to apply it to real-world drug design challenges, ultimately aiming to develop groundbreaking new treatments for patients. This new model builds upon the foundations laid by its predecessor, AlphaFold 2, which made a fundamental breakthrough in protein structure prediction back in 2020. Since then, millions of researchers worldwide have leveraged AlphaFold 2 to make important discoveries across fields like malaria vaccines, cancer treatments, and enzyme design. AlphaFold has been cited over 20,000 times already, with its scientific impact recognized through numerous prestigious prizes, most recently the Breakthrough Prize in Life Sciences. AlphaFold 3 expands beyond just proteins to encompass a vast spectrum of biomolecules. This leap could unlock even more transformative research, from developing biorenewable materials and resilient crops to accelerating drug design and genomics. So how exactly does this new model reveal the secrets of life's molecular machinery? Given an input list of molecules, it generates their joint 3D structure, revealing how they precisely fit together. AlphaFold 3 can model large biomolecules like proteins, DNA, and RNA, as well as smaller molecules known as ligands, a category encompassing many drugs. Furthermore, it can model the chemical modifications to these molecules that control healthy cell function and contribute to disease when disrupted. At its core, the new model features an improved version of the Evoformer module, a deep learning architecture that drove AlphaFold 2's breakthrough performance. After processing the molecular inputs, AlphaFold 3 assembles its predictions using a diffusion network similar to those used in AI image generators. This diffusion process starts with a cloud of atoms and converges over many steps to its final, highest accuracy structure. The researchers state that the model's predictions of molecular interactions surpass the accuracy of all existing computational systems. As a unified model computing entire molecular complexes holistically, it possesses a unique ability to unify scientific insights across disciplines. In the realm of drug discovery, it unlocks new capabilities by accurately predicting interactions of drug-like molecules, such as ligands and antibodies that bind to proteins, influencing their roles in health and disease. The model achieves unprecedented accuracy in predicting these drug-relevant interactions, like ligand binding to proteins and antibodies binding their target proteins. On a key industry benchmark called PoseBusters, AlphaFold 3 demonstrates over 50% higher accuracy than traditional modeling methods, without requiring any input of structural data. This makes it the first AI system to surpass physics-based tools for biomolecular structure prediction. Predicting antibody-protein binding with such fidelity is critical for understanding immune response and designing new antibody therapeutics, an emerging drug class. At Isomorphic Labs, the researchers are using AlphaFold 3 in tandem with complementary in-house AI models to accelerate and enhance the success of drug design pipelines. They are leveraging it for internal projects as well as partnerships with pharmaceutical companies. It is helping elucidate new disease targets and identify novel therapeutic approaches for previously intractable ones. But this model's capabilities extend far beyond drug discovery alone. Google DeepMind's newly launched AlphaFold server is now the world's most accurate tool for predicting how proteins interact with other molecules throughout cells. It offers scientists globally free access for non-commercial research purposes. With just a few clicks, biologists can tap into AlphaFold 3's power to model molecular structures spanning proteins, DNA, RNA, ligands, ions, and chemical modifications. The AlphaFold server empowers researchers to formulate novel hypotheses for experimental testing, accelerating scientific workflows, and sparking innovation. No longer hamstrung by computational resources or expertise in machine learning, they gain accessible predictive capabilities. Traditionally, experimental determination of a single protein structure could span an entire PhD thesis and cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. The previous AlphaFold 2 model enabled prediction of hundreds of millions of structures, a feat that would have required hundreds of millions of researcher years through conventional methods. The AlphaFold server democratizes this power, allowing scientists to ask bold questions and drive accelerated discovery. With each new AlphaFold release, the researchers have diligently worked to assess the technology's broad impacts in consultation with the research community and safety experts. They have adopted a science-driven approach, conducting rigorous evaluations to mitigate risks while maximizing the widespread benefits to biology and human health. Building upon extensive external consultations for AlphaFold 2, over 50 leading domain experts across biosecurity, research, and industry have been engaged to scrutinize AlphaFold 3's capabilities and carefully consider potential hazards. The researchers have also actively participated in community forums and discussions leading up to AlphaFold 3's launch. The AlphaFold server exemplifies their steadfast commitment to sharing AlphaFold's benefits openly, including the free database of 200 million pre-computed protein structures. They are also expanding the AlphaFold educational curriculum in partnership with EMBL, EBI, and organizations across the Global South. This will equip more scientists worldwide with the tools to leverage AlphaFold, accelerate adoption, and tackle underfunded areas like neglected diseases and food insecurity. Responsible development and deployment of powerful AI technologies like AlphaFold remains a core tenet through sustained collaboration with the scientific community and policymakers. AlphaFold 3 brings the biological world into unprecedented high-definition clarity. It empowers scientists to visualize cellular systems in their full, intricate complexity, from molecules to structures, interactions, and modifications. This new window into life's molecules illuminates their interconnected relationships and roles governing critical biological functions like drug mechanisms, hormone production, and DNA repair safeguarding health. The true impacts of AlphaFold 3 and the Open AlphaFold server will be realized through how they enable scientists to turbocharge discovery across the vast frontiers of biology and catalyze entirely new research directions. All right, now, shifting gears a bit, I wanted to talk about Alibaba. They've been making big moves in AI with their latest release, Tongyi Tianwen or Quen 2.5. This new version boasts better reasoning skills, improved coding understanding, and a sharper grasp of language. And businesses are loving it with over 90,000 deployments across various industries. Alibaba Cloud's CTO, Jingren Zhou, is thrilled, highlighting the creative ways companies are using Quen 2.5, especially in consumer electronics and gaming. Open Compass analysis shows Quen 2.5 outperforms GPT-4 in areas like language and creativity, though GPT-4 still has the edge in knowledge, reasoning, and math. Despite being new to the game, Alibaba's AI is already attracting over 2 million corporate users through services like DingTalk, their version of Slack. Plus, they're sharing some of their AI models with the open source community and enhancing their AI development platform. Other Chinese tech giants like Baidu and Tencent are also jumping into the AI race. Baidu's Ernie bot already has over 200 million users since launching publicly in August. This generative AI craze is apparently fueling the development of humanoid robots in China too. So yeah, it's pretty exciting to see how this technology is evolving and how companies are finding new ways to harness its potential. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely curious to see where this all leads. One thing's for sure, the AI revolution is here, and it's only going to get wilder from here on out. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.